Hey guys, welcome back to Kim Delights. Today we are going to be making some simple and fun egg muffins. Egg muffins are so fun to make. You can take your light eggs and turn them into a hearty breakfast. You can start your base by whisping your egg yolk and whites together until they're thoroughly combined. Next, you can go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of cow's milk to your mixture and continue to whisk. I went ahead and I added some Mrs. Dash and some salt to my mixture. So for me today, this is what's in my fridge egg muffins because I literally just used the vegetables that I had laying around in my fridge. So I used 2 frankfurters, as what we call it in Jamaica, which are sausages, and I diced them up really small. I also added some chopped onions, parsley, and bell peppers. Other times when I make this, I add spinach, bacon, and all that other stuff. You can literally add anything to an egg muffin to make it into whatever kind of breakfast you're feeling for. I seasoned and whisked my eggs together, and now it's time to preheat my oven and grease my baking pan. I went ahead and I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I'm going to grease my cupcake pan with some cooking spray that I have on hand. Now you can see in the following clips, I will pour my egg mixture into my cupcake pan and then I'll proceed to add my vegetables to my egg mixture. When all of this is done, you'll bake this for up to 20 minutes or until they are light and fluffy and separating from your pan. And that's how you make a quick and easy breakfast, guys. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.